he's lost the whole left side of his jaw, and he's lost the left side of his face. So if you would you just introduce yourself so they can hear how you speak without your prosthetic? And you can't eat very well either. Okay, so what I did was I made him a prosthetic left jaw, which is called an obturator, and I'm going to place that. You're going to hear the difference in his voice. Okay, speak to our good people.
I can speak a lot better with now the air, the fell off much better, so I have the ability to inhale again.
And to speak
To
clearly.
speak clearly. Resonance has improved.
Okay, now we're going to place his prosthetic face that was 3D created. I scanned Dr. N with 2 different types of scanners, one a global scan and one a very, very intricate detail scan. And I digitally sculpt this online with my engineer from 3D Systems. We then tried on a prototype of the prosthetic and adjusted it. And then they printed the 3D models for me, which I then custom tinted intrinsically his face, this portion of Dr. N's face, to match the left side, to match his right side. So now we're going to place this. Now we have Dr. N ready to go out in the world.
Looking more normal again, and being able to function, inhale, breathe, talk, eat, and look more normal. Like I've been missing for a good 5 years. This is the best prosthetic I could have ever imagined to be produced to help me with such a rare, major physical loss.
Was it difficult going through the 3D process?
It was not difficult, and the encouragement of the possibility of looking more normal again was